The principle of plasma-activated water equipment is to use an air pump to suck in air, quickly mix air with plasma and spray it into water, forming plasma-activated water. Plasma-activated water can quickly and effectively kill bacteria, viruses, microorganisms, and odors in water, significantly reducing the risk of disease transmission. No consumables required, no harmful substances produced, and harmless to human health. Plasma can also play an important role in the application of fisheries and aquatic product processing, including water oxygenation, water purification, treatment of fish diseases, improvement of feed fermentation efficiency, and promotion of growth. It can also enhance the freshness and safety of aquatic products. In the fields of food processing and preservation, the excellent role of plasma preservation technology is reflected. Plasma technology can efficiently sterilize and disinfect, ensuring the safety and hygiene of food. It can remove the odor and fishy smell of food, improve its taste, and increase its edible value. It can delay the oxidation and decay process, thereby extending the shelf life of food. Plasma technology can effectively decompose ethylene, delay the aging process of fruits and vegetables, and maintain their freshness. Water treatment devices can also be applied in fields such as sewage treatment, disinfection of tap water/direct drinking water, swimming pool water treatment, agricultural irrigation water, etc., which can effectively improve production efficiency and quality. Learn more and contact us.